Hi, I'm Lisa Council and I'm with Mrs. Grout. And today I have Jake Stafford with Stafford Restoration with me. And we're going to discuss some tips for your bathroom. So Jake, where are you located? Where's your business located?
So we're located in Hudson, Florida, but our geographical limits are Citrus County to Pinellas County.
Okay, all right. I've been working with Jake for about 4 years. Whenever we have a mold or mediation type issue where it's gone too far, where I can't fix it, we can't re-grout it, it's past that point, I always give Jake a call. So Jake, what is the number one thing that you think customers do wrong in the bathroom that causes it to turn into a bigger problem where it goes past me to where you need to come in?
So a large variety of things. I would say grout is an issue. People back in the day, they thought, if we maintain the shower and we maintain the tile, that potentially there will never be a problem, but they fail to maintain the grout and they fail to maintain the tile. When you start seeing tile fall off of the perimeter of the shower at the base of it, where there's a shower pan or there's a curb, and you don't take care of that in a timely manner efficiently by redoing the grout or resealing the shower, and the moisture gets behind it, which it commonly does, a lot of times it's too late at that time.
Yeah.
So maintaining the shower or ventilation. Ventilation is a huge issue. People delete their exhaust vents or they run them into the attic instead of properly out the roof. So ventilation is a large issue a lot of the time, moisture, condensation, high relative humidity, those types of things.
Now, one time we had a conversation and you told me back in the 80s or 70s they were still using regular drywall in showers.
Early 2000s.
Early 2000s.
Like 2000, 2008, that time period, they were still using green board in showers. Now we've moved to Durarock. And I'm not going to speculate too much on the showers and on how they're built. They're Schluter systems and those types of things. But any shower that has green board behind the tiles, usually, again, back in the day, they thought if we can, prevent the moisture from getting back there. But that's not the case. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when.
Okay. So I have another question for you. What is something that a customer or a person in their bathroom could do? So we heard, grouting, airflow. Is there anything else you can think of that they could do? A quick fix?
Maintenance, I want to say annually, but you should clean your shower more than annually.
Yes,
you know what
should.
I mean? But if you're cleaning your shower and you're realizing that the grout lines are serious, they have serious fungi in them and they're dirty and they need to be, redone, I would say the maintenance on those tile areas is the biggest thing, Open your cabinetry or open your vanity on an occasion and check underneath the P-trap and see if it's leaking. Yeah. People got hundreds of things under their vanity and they don't even know that they have a leak down there. So I would say the cleanliness of your bathroom and also the maintenance for sure.
Okay. And so you actually come in when it's already messed up. So what is a sign that someone could say, like I know when we go and if we see the outside of the door, the tile is falling off, I know that's a pretty good sign that we have a problem and to give you a call.
Yeah.
So describe something like that so they would kind of know to look out for that.
A musty or a melodor in the air. Delamination of tile, delamination of the cabinetry. Water bills are high. There could potentially be a leak in valve or something of that matter.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.